This tense standoff
I want the girl.
Well, what on this screwed up earth makes you think that you're gonna get...
With a ruthless character making a blunt demand.
You know what this is?
He wants the young girl for himself.
I drop it. You burn.
Not do anything rash here. I mean, are you sure she's worth all this? I mean, she never does stop talking. She never shuts.
I noticed.
What is it then, huh?
She's my friend.
Golly gee, a single tear rolls down my cheek. I mean, you're gonna die for your friend. He's bluffing!
I'm not bluffing, he never bluffs.
Shut up! I don't think you're gonna drop that torch, my friend.
Why not?
Because you're not crazy.
The girl is his friend. The villain mocks the sentiment with heavy
Oh, thank God.